This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Patty Edding. Amazing home with room for everyone. This 2-story basement sits on 2.15 acres with 4 bedrooms, office and 4 full baths. Separate living quarters downstairs and walkout basement apartment with living room, kitchen, bedroom, full bath, laundry room and 2-car garage. Main level includes 2-story foyer with Trey ceiling, formal living room and dining room, great room with stone fireplace from floor to ceiling which opens to kitchen and breakfast room, 1 bedroom west/attached bath, utility room, wraparound deck and 2-car garage. Second level has owner's suite with fireplace plus his and her baths, office, 2 OBRs with Jack and Jill bath, 2 vanities, and laundry chute to utility room. Upper deck is accessed from owner's suite and has steps down to main level deck. Unfinished third level could be 450 plus square feet bonus room/media room/playroom. Remaining unfinished basement has tons of storage and space for workshop. For more information, review the details below or contact Patty Edding at 865-966-1111.